Hey guys, good evening. Good evening, Ra. Why are so feeble voice? Online people, good evening, ma. Chalo, open your Jupyter notebooks. 1 minute, Sachin. Yesterday, that one calculator program completed, huh? Today, how many are attended lab? Raise your hands. Lab. Ah, very, very less numbers. I will tell you, I will tell you. I'll make you how to do, how to come. Those who are not coming to the lab, we are planning to shift you to another batch, another trainer. Okay. Those are, how's the deal? Deal or no deal? Huh? Deal or no deal? That I'll talk to Nagbabu today. నాగబాబు గారు వీళ్ళ ల్యాబ్ అటెండెన్స్ ట్రాక్ చేయాలి రేపటి నుంచి. ఎవరైతే ల్యాబ్కి రారో దోస్ ఆర్ నాట్ కమ్ టు ద ల్యాబ్ విల్ త్రో ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. ఓకే, దే కెన్ కమ్ ఎట్ ఎనీ టైమ్, మినిమం దే నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ 2 hours. దే విల్ మెయింటైన్ ద అటెండెన్స్ రిజిస్టర్. ఓకే, అటెండెన్స్ రిజిస్టర్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో ఆన్వర్డ్స్. యూ నీడ్ టు సైన్ एंट्री टाइम एग्जिट टाइम. हाँ, एंट्री मीन्स लैपटॉप और रुकने देने के बाद बाहर आ जाओ, 2 घंटे में बाद आ जाओ एंड एग्जिट करो, ऐसे नहीं होता. हाँ, getting what I'm saying? Because yesterday I've seen some students, you are not, I'm literally disappointed. This is not the way we need to do. 10 days we completed, 10 to 15 days. In fact, 20 days with the holidays, Sundays and everything we can cover. So much you can practice, but still you are doing the common mistakes that I don't like that common mistakes. I'm telling again and again, today HCL CEO, what he told today? Bolo. HCL CEO Vijay Kumar. HCL CEO Vijay Kumar statement. The old IT industry no longer viable due to the rise of artificial intelligence. The old IT industry model is not viable, means not feasible nowadays due to AI model, means half of the jobs in the future, it will very soon in the 10 years, I think half of the jobs will gone. There's no doubt. The one more CEO also supported this. Company is a private company. They want to increase their revenue. They are not a charity. Okay, not a government. It is a business, purely business. Okay, they want only revenue. Company can do their own alone also without hiring anyone also. No one will ask any question. Why you are not hiring? It is my company, my wish. तो बोलता है ना, what is that? My life. Like ऐसे होता है company, business. Any business that only ना. It's not a government ना. He's saying that today's statement only this is 1 day ago, I think. 1 day ago. So now you are in which class? Then you are just young people. You are just 20 to 23 years. Now imagine that government jobs are outside is very less, and company jobs everything replaced by AI. You are in the AI class and you are not learning properly. Then who is the responsibility of your own life? Huh? Loudly, who? Me? Huh? Then I thought सोचो भाई. Life is how it's taken turning. It is a transition turn. It is not like the old days, पुराना जमाना or .NET to Java C जमाना नहीं है. Old life is taking the transition. Completely AI transition it is going. Are you दिमाग काम है क्या नहीं है? Are you seeing or not? The transition is changing. World is the good opportunities will come. And you're simply in the old mindset. I will order the Zomato. Finally that only. Zomato delivery boy only, and that is also tomorrow replaced by AI machines only. That is also. क्या रे? World is changing and you are not changing. You are not working towards that. Sachin Adai. Everyone people today I talk with, there is a 45, 46 years guy. He is, oh, better no? Take this. This is updated, na? एक बार check करो and show me that code. बगने इधर code. Okay, okay. Today I talk with a guy with 15 years or 20 years experience, 45 plus guy. Okay. He's saying that I'm so much afraid about that, sir. I want to join in the Gen AI course. So much afraid about the future because so many EMIs are there now. That's the biggest problem. You know how much is very tough to earn at least 10,000 rupees. You know how much that is very tough. You go and earn 10,000 rupees in ethical way. What non-ethical way? Non-ethical way बहुत हो गया. Ethical way थोड़ा earn करो 10,000 rupees. Show me one thing. How to earn 10,000 rupees in month ethical way. क्या रे? चलो we all yesterday that is print statement. I asked that print statement. Enter 1 for addition operation, and print enter 2 for subtraction operation, enter 3 for multiplication operation, enter 4 for division operation. This we are conveying to the user. When I print this, you are reading this. Then the user can understand. I need to enter which number for addition? 1. So this is the first 4 lines I ask you to write. Write the first 4 lines, convey to the user. Some people can write plus symbol also. Enter plus, enter minus, enter multiplication, enter division. That is also you can write it. But that is again difference. Numbers are different, character different. Next, N1 is equal to eval of input of enter the number. N2 is equal to eval of input of enter the number 2. Enter the number 1, enter the number 2. Next, operation equal to, now you need to enter the number, eval of input of, which operation you want here, that we already dictated here. So you can write like this also. Sir, I don't want like this. Enter between only 1 to 4, you can see. Enter between only 1 to 4, you can say that. And next, first one, if operation equal to 1, then print if n1 plus n2, addition of n1 and n2 is n1 plus n2, and this will keep on continue for the next operation. Elif operation number 2, elif operation number 3, elif operation number 4, and for last what happen now? Else. Elif and elif and elif. Operation number 2, operation number 3, operation number 4. And this is instead of addition, what you write ma? Subtraction. And this is multiplication. And this is division. And this is -2, and this is into 2, and this is divided by 2. Now I am asking the number. Enter the number 1, 20, 30, and I want multiplication. That is equal multiplication of 20 into 30 is that exactly. So you can last else also you can write it. What is the else ma? Print enter a valid operation. Enter a valid operation. Suppose the user entering the 5, 10, 20, then 5, then enter a valid operation will come. Now this is the code, you need to frame it. How many have done this? Raise your hand. Very good. If you want to update this code, suppose by mistakenly you provided here one like this. By mistakenly you provided one, means English characters you are providing. English character, there are two mistakes. One is you are removing this eval and you are trying to enter only one. That is the wrong answer. Wrong answer, enter one only. Then enter a valid operation. You got the doubt, sir, I entered one only, but why I am getting fail? And now many people know the answer. The operation is what ma? Input. Input means what? String. But what you are entering here? Number. What you are entering here? Number. That is a common mistake. You need to be focused. So what you tried here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now again enter the number 1, 30, 40. Now enter 1. Now this is. Or, sir, I don't want to write this first 4. I want to write a user only. Then whatever the red color is there, that you can write where ma? Here only you can write it. That is, you can avoid these 4 print statements also. Sir, I don't want to use the number, sir. I want to use only characters. Plus, minus, multiplication, then division. Then you need to enter what here? 30, 40, you need to enter what? Multiplication symbol. Which symbol? Multiplication. Then answer aata. You can do many ways. What is the operation equal to? The simple story only. Here true karo, I will give entry. That's all. True statement batao, I will give entry. You can give any true statement based on your use case. Understood, amma, online people? Online students? Everyone? Very good, very good. N2 is equal to? No. That you can't use. Zero division error aata na? That will do now, try and exceptions. Chalo, next session, try and exception. Session number 11. Session number 11. Every day you need to study, ma. Every day you need to study. I did not sleep from Saturday onwards properly. Every day 2-3 hours only. So much office work, so much self-learning, so much things, na? Like that. In our class, so many experienced people are there. So many aged people are there. They are learning what you are doing in the Amirpet hostel. आज मैच का कौन जीता? स्कोर कितना? 250 ऑल आउट 48 close it no. Here you did this na streamlit application. हाँ एक बार रन करो, will show that. Where is your code? Here here see what here COT matlab?
This is not mine, sir. This
This one. So if I upload, it will come.
no, this one.
Check it and let me know. Better there. Try and accept. Right, remember, try and exception is an exceptional handling used for exceptional handling, which means we wants to catch the errors without stop the code, means he wants to catch the error without stop the code. In Python is step-by-step process. Python is step-by-step process. Yes, ma. That is the next class. Loops. And Omkar sir will teach everything. Don't worry. You can't imagine how much I will teach. And everything will come to you in your lap. Python is a step-by-step process. So whenever we face any error at any line, the code will stop. Sometimes the code is the error is not much important. So we will expect our execution should complete without any halt. Look at the board now. Imagine that you written a one piece of code, ma. That piece of code is you written 500 lines. 1 to 500 lines you written. There is a one line that is equal to suppose 400th line, the 400 line, 400 line, there might be a chance sometimes it is showing error, sometimes it's not showing error. That may be connection error, that may be infrastructure error, because your laptop different, my laptop different, and client laptop also different. And you know, everyone know, that is a just is not a harmful error. Even that error also our code should run. That is the things, that is the idea. But Python is a step-by-step process. Python is a step-by-step process, and whenever it feels the error here, the code will be stopped. The remaining part will not execute. The remaining part what happen? Not execute. So what we will do is, we will divide that code into two parts now. One is under the try block, like if and else is there, na? Same way under the try block, and one more is the exception block. Another is the try block, another one is the exception block. So we'll write try, try, and we'll write here except. What will write, ma? Except. It is exactly similar to your if and else only. But if entry कब मिलता? If entry कब मिलता? If के अंदर में condition need to be satisfied, correct? But here no condition. Here no condition. Your original code will be run here. Your original code will be run here. Whenever any line is the error comes, immediately it will go to which block? Except block. That is called try block and except block, which means this is the 5 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there, and there is a 6th line, 7th line you written here. Imagine that. Now this code is absolutely perfect, so I will not go to in the except block. Simple. All my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will run. For example, the 5th line I got error, then first 4 will run. I'm here. Okay, correct. Okay, correct. 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 Wrong. Wrong hai to I will not stop my code. Where I will go? 6th and 7th. That is the meaning of what? Try block and except block. Write your original code in the try block. Write whatever you are wish in the except block. That is the meaning. So let's figure it out how to do that. Look at the board. T or Y, which color? Green color hai to? Keyword hai to? Colon. Next? Bolo ra. Loudly. Condition. Condition. Loudly. Indentation. What will come? Indentation. Write your code here. Write your code here. Next, except. Catch the error here. Catch the error here. Catch the error here. Write the code here and catch the error here. Write your code here. Catch the error here. Shall I write a simple addition code now? First write a simple addition code. N1 is equal to eval of input of enter the number 1. N2 is equal to eval of input of enter the number 2. Now addition equal to N1 plus N2 print of the addition of N1 and N2 is N1 plus N2. Do it without seeing. This also you are seeing board. Huh? Ask the GPT prompt versus chain of thought prompt. You should write the prompt. Give me the example, not AI response. Example and the difference between that. Eval of input of enter the number 1, enter the number 2, N1 plus N2 and the addition of. Acha Chinna, how many errors we can expect from this code? Bolo. Suppose you are doing wrong code in this. This is the correct code. Now if I am doing some, how many mistakes I can made here? Possible mistakes kya? What are the possible mistakes I can do? Okay, first one, first possibility. Bolo. We can't use eval missed. Eval missed. Second one, confuse. क्या रे? Add a f string. Okay, f string is missed. F string मिस है तो क्या होता है? एरर आता? हाँ, then एरर आना चाहिए. एरर आना चाहिए. Wrong variable name error. What will come? Name error. Eval miss है तो type error. Type error. Next. What is the next one? Syntax error. Okay, syntax error means next. Parenthesis. Parenthesis also syntax error only. Okay, under the parenthesis, under syntax errors, parenthesis, and that quotes. Quotes. Quote also one quote you missed, one quote you given. Next. किधर indentation किधर इधर? अच्छा, you provided indentation. Got it. अच्छा, you provided want लिख गया पा. Very good. Indentation. हाँ? Typing error मतलब? अప్పుడు name error వస్తుంది. अच्छा. అది name error కదా. Name error अंटाదే కదా. Name not defined error. अच्छा, decode it. First eval miss करो. Which error आता? Check it. Remove the eval. Remove the eval. Which error will come? But you need to give multiplication right for that. You need to give multiplication. Remove the eval. Remove the eval. What error coming? Coming check karo everyone. Type error. Which error? Type error. Name error. कैसे name error कैसे आता? Give the wrong variable. N1 है तो N11 दे दो. N1 है तो N11 दे दो. Do the mistakes na. All these days I am asking you write the code, correct code. Now today I am asking you wrong the code. Okay, गलत code लिखो. Today I am asking you write the wrong code. Wrong code भी नहीं आता, right code भी नहीं आता. Name error. Next syntax errors करो. वो parenthesis remove करो. Syntax error आ रहा है? गलत code लिखो, गलत code. Doing right is easier, wrong is easier. Which is easy? Right or wrong? Doing right only easy always. What is the normal prompt for this? What is the normal prompt? ఇది క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్, ఇది నార్మల్ ప్రాంప్ట్. అది వేరే క్వశ్చన్, ఇది వేరే క్వశ్చన్ కదా. అట్లా కదా నాని. ఇప్పుడు ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ నార్మల్ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇస్తే ఎట్లా ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తుంది, ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ చైన్ ఆఫ్ థాట్తో ఇస్తే ఎట్లా ఇస్తుంది. అప్పుడే కదా కంపారిజన్. అవతలకి ఎట్లా చెప్తాం ఇది డిఫరెన్స్ అని. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ రెండు డబ్బాలు ఓపెన్ చేయట్లే, ఇటో పక్క బాక్స్ ఇటో పక్క బాక్స్. కంపారిజన్ నార్మల్ ప్రాంప్ట్ చైన్ ఆఫ్ థాట్ ప్రాంప్ట్. पैरादिस कोर्स मिस है तो सिंटैक्स एरर है. इंडेंटेशन, इंडेंटेशन मतलब थोड़ा अंदर अंदर जाओ, लाइक दिस, स्पेस दे दो थोड़ा, गिव द स्पेस वांटेडली. व्हाट इज कमिंग, इट इज नॉट ए सिंटैक्स एरर ना, इट इज नॉट ए सिंटैक्स एरर. So indentation error separately, indentation error separately. Next, टाइप एरर, नेम एरर. अच्छा ये डिवीजन ले लो, डिवीजन लाइक अनिरुद्ध टोल्ड, डिवीजन दे दो, डिवीजन जीरो दे दो, जीरो. n2 equal to 0 ले लो. You take this 100, you take this 0. Which error आता? That is which error? That is not a syntax error, that is not a indentation error, that is not a type error, that is not a name error, that is not a value error. That is what is which error? Division error. Which error? Division error. Zero division error, जीरो डिवीजन एरर. अच्छा एक स्ट्रिंग ले लो, एक नंबर ले लो. एक स्ट्रिंग ले लो, एक नंबर ले लो. फर्स्ट टाइम इज बोथ एवल, फर्स्ट टाइम इज बोथ एवल, फर्स्ट टाइम इज बोथ एवल. 100 100. Type error. Which error coming? Type error. Very good, that is the first error, everyone got it. Now what is the second error I told you? One eval ले लो, one English ले लो. 100 5. What are coming? Type error, both are type error. What is the next error? Name error. n11 ले लो, 100 ले लो and 20 ले लो. Which error आ रहा है? Name error. Error number 3. Error number 4. Error number 4 क्या? ब्रैकेट मिस करो. Which error आता? Syntax error. ब्रैकेट मिस है तो which error? Syntax error. Next, another error, quotes मिस करो. Which error आ रहा है? Syntax error. Which error आ रहा है? Syntax error. Now division अंदर जाओ. Which error? Indentation error. Now 0 दे दो. Which error? Zero division error. Amma, see, once 4 lines of code, how many types of errors are there? That many errors are there. The 4 types, only 4 lines na code, but almost 6-7 errors are there. These all errors, which is the okay error, which is not okay error, which is not at all okay. Bolo. Which is not at all okay. Bolo. Online people, type error, name error, syntax error, indentation error, zero division error. Loudly. Which is not okay. This is not at all acceptable. I am expecting at least proper code. Which error? Syntax error. Syntax correct write करना ना पहले. Remaining all are what? Logical errors ना. Type error which error? Logical error. Value error? Logical error. Zero division error? Logical error. Name error? Logical error. Which is the not logical error? Syntax. I am not at all putting my mind, because you did not written a proper code also. You did not write a proper code also, that is a syntax error. So syntax error will not catch by try and exception. Syntax error will not catch because a code minimum Python also expecting mera those at least proper code liko, then come to me. That is Python also say that only. So Python will never catch which errors ma? Syntax errors. Write it, note it. Note. Note. Python try and exceptions will not catch syntax errors. Syntax errors. Python try and except will not catch syntax errors. Very good. Now, case number 1, proper code. Proper code. Case number 1, proper code. पहले proper code लिखो मा, proper code फटाफट. First n1 n2 d n1 by n2 division. Proper code लिखो. Proper code. Proper code. Chat कौन है? Proper code लिख दिया. Proper code under which block? Try block का except block का? Loudly, which block? Try block. Now try block लिखो. Now take a new line. Take a new line. try try colon enter. Now here क्या लिखना? Proper code. Proper code you can just copy paste here. Copy and paste here. Whenever you paste it, the indentation will be हट जाएगा. That is the biggest problem. You understand? So if you copy paste, the indentation is gone. Hello? No, class में ना. Sorry. If you copy paste it, Chinna, again I'm repeating, you can copy paste this code easily. You can copy paste this easily, but when you copy paste it, what is the mistake will happen? The indentation will be mismatched. क्या करना? You take this starting, select all, enter, tab. Okay, Nama? When you copy paste, what will come? Take this here, now enter, tab. That's all. Under the try block, your correct code is there. Under the try block. No, sir, I will not copy paste. I want to write it. You want to write the code, write it. Try block लिखो and write all the code. Generally in the real time we'll do write that, but here only for simply I'm asking you to copy paste. So try block. Next, except block. Except block. Next which block ma? Except block. Except block is used to catch the error. Is used to catch. But how many types of errors are there? Bolo. Syntax error is not error. That is Python is expecting. Okay, syntax error is not error. That is your mistake. Don't say syntax error is my Python mistake. What is error? Type error. Indentation error we'll talk later. That is a task for you now. name error, type error, value error, zero division error. Okay, na? So that is automatically should catch. Automatically should catch. For that, what will write? Except exception. Enter tab. Except exception. Except exception. Alias name, that is called as. Alias name E. Alias name E. Means instead of exception, I want to write a simple one single letter. What is that name? E. Sir, I don't like E, I like Virat Kohli, write Virat Kohli. Okay. Sir, I don't like Virat Kohli, I want Rohit Sharma, write Rohit Sharma. But means this exception name is what now? Rohit. But entire world, what they will write? Exception only E only they will write. What they will write? E only. It is alias name. तुम्हारा है ना रे बुज्जी कन्ना चिन्ना इधर आ जाओ मम्मा बोलता ना alias name like that. This is called as means what? Alias name. Print E. Print E. Except exception as E. Print E. Except exception as E. Print E. Except exception as E. Print E. अब बोलो शिना दिस कोड करेक्ट कोडा रांग कोडा रांगा एड्रा रांग किधर नॉट योर लैपटॉप रा माय लैपटॉप बोलो करेक्ट कोडा राइट कोडा रांग कोडा करेक्ट कोड है तो एक्सेप्शन ब्लॉक जाएगा नहीं जाएगा नहीं जाएगा चलो रन इट नो run it 120 okay now give the wrong code and try it check it error is catching or not now again case 2 type error what I'm doing ma type error means I am removing the eval now I'm removing the eval I'm removing the eval ma 120 right coda wrong coda this code right coda wrong coda right रे ये क्या आया input okay but this is not the wrong ना wrong किधर मिलता how can you know this code is wrong first line ना second line ना third line ना which line first line only will say huh how can you know this code is the wrong code how can Python knows you are the human being Python is which process step by step process so at which line it will say Python when doing division only correct because first line any mistake is there no mistake proper code only second line any mistake is there no mistake proper code only but third line what you are doing division you are doing what you are doing division there logical error will come that's why first line is working that's why first box is working second box is working first box is working second box is working but third will not work why at third line only you are facing what error so where it will go exception block it will go and it will catch the error see unsupported operand type error means error type nahi aata its catch will print the error like this here error will come print below line error so I am not execute below lines execute below lines print now I am going to exception block I am going to which block exception block you are thinking that the division is error is happening because of string value number value that is your mind is saying correct but which error is coming division error is coming but first two lines are not error ma first two lines are proper code only first two lines are proper code only When the error will come, at third line only error will come. So that's why first box will be display, second box will display, and print will display, and the next print will also display. I am going to exception block. So this is in this try block, how many lines are correct piece of codes? How many lines? First four. How many lines? First four are correct codes. Understood? Everyone, online people. Then whenever you are getting the error in the next line, it will go to which block? Print block. Now I am writing one more print here. Hey, I am at which block now? Which block? Exception block. I am at which block now? Exception block. Okay, first box displaying first line 100. Second box displaying no error 20. Now below line error, so I am not executing below lines. I am going to which block? Exception block. Hey, I am at which block? Exception block. That is the try block and exception block. Simple. You are going on the road. Diversion is there. किधर जाता? Straight जाता. स्ट्रेट जाता तो कथन जिंदगी क्या लेना चाहिए डायरेक्शन लेना चाहिए डायरेक्शन कौन है इधर एक्सेप्शन ब्लॉक है नाउ द रेड कलर इज नॉट कमिंग सी दिस इज द रेड कलर यू नेवर लाइक दिस because the beauty is the beauty is after print also I am writing a is equal to 10 a is equal to 10 b is equal to 20 and c is equal to a plus b and print c I already told you my code will not stop and my code will what catch the error. My code will not stop. You see here 100 and 20. Now below lines are see answer is कितना आ गया ना that is the beauty of what try block and exception block. Very simple code. Write the proper code in which block? Try block, and whatever the drama in the which block? Exception block. In order to catch the specific error, what is the syntax? Follow. What is the syntax? Except exception as a. Now फटाफट case 2 case 3 case 4 all try करो. Do it all try करो all type of errors. Online people understood everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Online students try with all the errors. Capital 20 they're used to 20 make to launch and bought 6 more apple. How many apples do they have? 9 apples. ఇప్పుడు దీనికే ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ చైన్ ఆఫ్ థాట్ గా చెప్పమని చెప్పాలి రాసినావా అప్పుడు ఇది పైన పెట్టేసి అది కింద పెట్టేసి కంపారిజన్ ఉంటుంది నో అది కాదు నేను అనేది క్వశ్చన్ నువ్వు ఇస్తాను ఆన్సర్ అది ఇస్తుంది ఇక్కడ కూడా నువ్వు ప్రాంప్టింగ్లో నువ్వు చైన్ ఆఫ్ థాట్ రాయాలి నీ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఏది ఇది నీ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఏది ఇప్పుడు అది ఇక్కడ రాయలే కదా ఎక్కడ చూపెట్టాలి అది ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు చైన్ ఆఫ్ థాట్ నాకు ఎట్లా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే చెప్పు ఈ చైన్ ఆఫ్ థాట్ నాకు ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది ఇచ్చావు రోజర్ హ్యాస్ 5 టెన్నిస్ బాల్స్ ఈ బైస్ 2 more cans టెన్నిస్ బాల్స్ హౌ మెనీ టెన్నిస్ బాల్ డస్ హీ హ్యావ్ అట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఓన్లీ నువ్వు ఇచ్చినావా ఇది నువ్వు ఇచ్చినావా ఇది రాయి ఇదంతా ప్రాంప్టే ఇది ఆల్ ఆర్ ప్రాంప్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ సో చైన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇది ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇది రెస్పాన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఆల్సో ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ద స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఇయర్ ఇట్లా అది నువ్వు రాయాలన్నట్టు మనం ఎవరికైనా చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు చూడగానే వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అయిపోవాలి ఫస్ట్ రోజర్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ 5 balls 2 cans 3 tennis balls each how many 6 so 5 plus 6 11 now when I am doing this is now here I am not providing my thought process now this is few shots plus they are not చెప్పాలి అట్లా ఓకేనా అట్లా కొంచెం ఎడిట్ చేయాలి అంతే సరిపోతుంది అట్లా జీరో షాట్ అంటే ఏం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లేదు. ఫ్యూ షాట్. ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ ద క్యాపిటల్ ఫర్ ప్రాన్స్. అప్పుడు ఎంత టెంపరేచర్ పెడితే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2.2. టెంపరేచర్ రేంజెస్ అట్లా. ఇక్కడ గ్రాఫ్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేయగలిగితే చూడు, ఆలోచించు. ఇంకేమన్నా ఈ పెద్ద పెద్ద థియరీ కాకుండా ఏమన్నా ఇమేజెస్ లాగా యాడ్ చేయగలిగితే ఆలోచించు. ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ని కొంచెం బాక్స్ లాగా హైలైట్ చేసి బాక్స్లో ఉండేటట్టు పెట్టాలి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. డూ ఇట్ మా కేస్ 3, కేస్ 4, కేస్ 5. క్యాచింగా ఎర్రర్స్ ఆర్ క్యాచింగా. Python is very easy ra. Till now we are following only rules only. Logic will come later. You should not miss the rules. Syntax error catching, indentation error catching, indentation error also Python is expecting common sense. Indentation dedo, indentation na dedo. That's why I did not mention about indentation error specifically. That will talk later. Indentation error, syntax errors will not catch. What is your job? Write a proper code. That is wrong, means logically correct or logically wrong is different. But you need to, Python should take that code. I need to at least take that code. If I want to call you for interview, minimum my expectation is what? You need to pass the degree. If degree you not pass, I will not invite you. Whether you copy, by using copy you pass, you have knowledge, you don't have knowledge, that is secondary for me. Degree pass or nahi pass. Degree pass hai to aa jao, nahi pass hai to nahi aa jao. What is that meaning? That write the proper code. That logically work, logically will not work, a different thing. Don't do the syntax errors. Don't do the indentation errors. Write the proper code. This is when you give 0, it will logically will fail. But the code is correct. The code doesn't have any mistake. What is the mistake is there? Logical mistake is there. Which mistake is there? Logical mistake is there. Logical mistakes only I will catch. This code does not have any errors. Except which error? Logical error. Thinking error. How can I do? That error is the machine is not able to think. Samjha online people? Eval of 100, 0, division by 0 error, division by 0 error, N111, what you are doing, Sachin? Running, पूरा हो गया, स्टिमुलेट हो गया, पूरा साइड बाय साइड आ रहा है. So accuracy, we can make the accuracy, precision, recall, can we do? Not right? Now name N1 is not defined. Now syntax error de do. I'm missing the bracket here. Then syntax error. I'm missing the code here. Then syntax error. I'm missing the indentation here. Then error. Syntax errors, indentation errors will not catch. Understood? China last. Hey, China ante nuvera. My dear China. Okay na? Very good, very good. Now onwards, every code. You should write with a try and exception block. Write with try except block. Now onwards, every code write with try and except block. Every code try with a try and except block. मतलब क्या? If code ले लो. Take any if code. Number ले लो. Number equal to eval of input of enter the number. Enter the number. Now, if number percent equal to 0, print. Yes, ma, that is a print only. If that is available, then we can print. Okay. Suppose you are giving like this number, you see here. Print a number, comma, number. It will work or fail? Works or fail? Bolo ma chinna, online people, where is the condition? How it will works? Monica, bolo, works or fail? Online people, you are not responding properly. क्या हुआ? मैच देख रहे क्या? हाँ? अरे match will win, don't worry. Okay, match will win. Works or fail? Works because the number is what happen? Available. Number ले लो. That is the logic, ma. That is the if means what? Is available. If available. If available, ma. Condition, na. If available. The condition. Okay. If available means a condition. Yes. If available, yes. If not available, no. If true means what? True means what? Available. True means what? True is a condition, huh? No. 1 no or 0. Available. It is a available. Now run it. Number देना चाहिए. We did mistake. That is equal to number not defined. In the same way, here E is available, exception available. That's why what I am doing? I am printing what? E. I am printing the E. Good, very good. Good question. If number percentile 2 equal to 0, then print online people, you are not responding properly. Our class is interactive session, you already know. Should I not talk with you or what? I just explain only for offline students? Huh? क्या रे? थोड़ा proactive करना रे? Else, I am not kind of a bathroom singer, ma. I am road singer only. You need to be respond in the class. Okay. You should not respond. Ammo, if you respond, you will ask the doubts. I am not able to clarify. ऐसा type trainer नहीं है ओंकार sir. Respond करो. Ask the doubts. One question equal to 200 members. One question equal to 200 members. Then odd number. Now उसको if try and exception block करो. Try and exception block. Proper code should be which block? Try block. Proper code which should be try block. बोलो try and exception करो. Chat box not working, huh? How some people are making chat then? SR not working. How it is working? Chat box is not working. Who is saying Vaishnav? Vaishnav, you only typed, na? SR not working. There's one story is there, a Indian doctor settled in USA. Settled in USA. So he made one thing. If your disease will cure, you give me $20. Otherwise I will give you $100. That is the deal. So there is a flaw guy will go, USA guy, flaw guy. What he will do? I am not able to make a taste, means I'm not able to identify taste. But actually is able to identify. Is able to identify. That the USA guy is saying that. Then doctor told to nurse, bring that medicine from can. So that USA guy is taken, and that medicine tasted as kerosene. So he immediately told that is a kerosene. USA guy. Then what doctor told? Your disease got cured. Your disease got cured. Now doctor, he got how many dollars? $20. Again USA guy went. Again USA guy went. He's saying that I'm not able to, you can see that I am not able to recall. I'm not able to recall. Again doctor saying that bring that medicine from can. That medicine में can में क्या है? Kerosene है ना? Again USA guy said, अरे last time we given kerosene. Then you are able to recall. Then again $20 आ गया. Again USA guy आ गया. And he's saying that this time not able to see anything. Then the doctor told that, okay, I lost. Okay, take $100, but doctor is not giving $100. Doctor giving $20 only. Then USA guy said, no, this is not a $20. It's not $100. So your disease again got cured. The story like that. So that story, the moral of the story is, wherever you go, Indians always what? Smart. Indians always smart is there. Now finish. You got the name error, you got the syntax error. अच्छा कोड रहे दिखाओ एक बार राजेंद्र. Give me the code. Provide the code. Meanwhile, complete try and exception for all if and else codes. All if session. Do fast. All if sessions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, all. It is a capital E ma. Chinna. Pehle it is a capital E. Which E? Capital, not small e. That is the Rajendra mistake. That is the mistake of the Rajendra. Now Rajendra feels that he is saying that both error, but it is a capital E Chinna. The capital E. Not a small e. Chalo ma, do it fast. Complete for this. Planned exception. First code. Code number 1. This class only you need to complete. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Do it fatafat. Question number 3. And question number 4. Question number 5. Do it fast, ma. You need to write the code, not a copy paste. Don't copy paste, write it. Practice के लिए this is. Syntax error is wrong, ma. Question number 6. Question number 7. Do it, ma. Do it, ma. Fast. Complete all rand exceptions. The classroom only we will do minimum 10 questions, ma, every time. Classroom questions is more than enough. एक बार रुक जाओ भाई. I'm coming. Let me write questions. Do it, ma. Do it. Practice हो जाएगा. Fast. Don't give any input means empty string ना चिन्ना. Empty string नहीं है. Share the code. We'll try it now. All the questions you need to type it. You need to with the try and exception block. All the questions. That is your assignment now. Fatafat karo. Your time till 7:30. Question number 12. 12 questions are there. If you copy paste na, khatam your jindagi. I'm telling you that. I know beautiful students are copy pasting. Assignment number. Assignment कितना assignment है? Number 6 था, 7th now. अच्छा, अभी 7th था, 6 था. 6 था, assignment number 6. Today match will win. Don't worry. Concentrate on here because there are no bowlers, no at the bowlers are there. Huh? Who is the good bowler in Australia now? Huh? Jampa, na? So Jampa will take 50 overs. Huh? Huh? Only Jampa is there. That's all. Huh? India match जीत गए. Ellis also good bowler. Huh? Do it. Now bolo. Rajendra. Don't give any input. Is the invalid syntax is coming. Huh? Let's see. See, try with like Rajendra, no? Like, no, do different experiments, no? Monica is asking good question now today. Rajendra is trying different way. No, ma. Syntax error है तो syntax error आता. Are you getting ma Rajendra? Like this. This is called syntax error. There is a valid logical error. That's why you are getting error. Okay. Invalid syntax is the different. That it will come. Try, do the research. चलो पूरा कंप्लीट करो and you need to upload today only. Original. It will upload there and we'll see the results. Prediction results, model predictions, model classifications. Today only you need to complete, okay? Always try to explain to your friends, ma. When you explain, you will get to know more. Okay? Not only keep the concepts yourself will not work. Whenever your off is there ना, उसको friend को बुलाओ, explain करो, concept clear हो जाता. That is the way good to learn. Always try to explain to others. Discuss with the friends. This is the correct code, this is the wrong code, we can implement this, we can implement that. Python should come in your dreams. Python snake nahi hai, coding. It will come. Those who are practice much, it will come to the dreams. Many times it came to me when I'm in college days. Python should come in your dreams. Samjha? That much you need to study. Chalo, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards, functions concept ma very very important. Functions. చెప్పమ్మా. This is you need to do these steps multiple times. Number equal to you need to save this. Hello, fire. This is the first number. Now second number means this is n. Now in take n1. N1 should be n float division 10. Then n1. So second number should be n1 modulus 10. So second number aata. With this first number is coming what? 5. We are doing 5 because we are doing modulus operator on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second number should come 4. Why 4 is coming? Because we are doing modulus operator only 1, 2, 3, 4. How we are extracting 1, 2, 3, 4? By applying floor division. So you need to apply the modulus, you need to apply the floor. 2 times you need to do, that is keep on you need to do. That's the idea.
सर हम ऐसा किए जैसे कि n1 2 3 4 5 तो मेरा आउटपुट आ रहा है रिवर्स नंबर इज 5 4 3 2 1
Correct one, that only we need to do.
सर वो सर मेरे को थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर मतलब
Okay.
साइन होता है ना
फिर ये मैंने while loop में क्या करें?
सर
ऐसे भी एक एक करके निकल
सर
जाता
ये साइन किस चीज का है सर ये
No, that this is in the strings concept. We are not yet completed in the strings concept. It is a one-liner answer. But one-liner answer you should not learn like that. That's a bad learning. Logic is important. That only. That's a one-liner answer. Okay.
Last question 10 and 9 explain in the class.
Sir.
सर ये
Message करो एक बार which questions. ठीक है बोलो చిన్న అయ్యో అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు నువ్వు పని చేస్తావా నువ్వేం చేసావు నాకు ఒకసారి చూపెడతావా రేపు నువ్వు ఎప్పుడా గేమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తావు వేరే కోర్సు అర్థం కావట్లేదు ఏ కోర్సు ఏ కోర్స్ ట్యాబ్లో నువ్వు పైథాన్ నేర్చుకో సరే మనీ పే చేసావా మనీ పే చేస్తే రిటర్న్ ఇయ్యరు మన చేతిలో ఉండదు, మనీ పే చేస్తే రేట్లో ఉండదు అన్నమాట.
సార్
ఉండదు. ఒక్కోసారి మెసేజ్ చేయి.
तो इनपुट फॉर्म है वो ट्रैक के ऊपर
ट्रैक के ऊपर यूज करना.
इस वाले क्वेश्चन में ये वाला ही चलाना था ना, ये पूरा आपका जो
दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड.
नॉट रिक्वायर्ड,
नॉट रिक्वायर्ड.
मगर इसको मैं थोड़ा ना सर्च करके चलाया तो पूरा वेबसाइट खुल गया है.
दिस इज हुज लिंक, दिस इज कैसे गया गया है?
ये सर,
हाँ.
इसके लिए मैं एक बाइक ऑप्टर के वो होता है,
ऑथेंटिकेशन.
हाँ, उसमें ना जाके लॉगिन किया, फिर उसके बाद अपना ID बनाया, फिर वहां से की लिया और यहाँ कॉपी किया.
That is all ultimately we need to do. If you are good to do, that's fine. Okay, good on. Hold on.
లాస్ట్ టైం అది ఒక
లాస్ట్ టైం రియల్ టైం
అంటే రియల్ టైం అంటే ప్రజెంట్ గా సపరేట్ గా చేద్దామని
అచ్చా ప్రాజెక్టా
ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఒకటి చేద్దాం అంటే పర్సనల్ గా చేద్దామని రియల్ టైం అంటే అగ్రికల్చర్
నువ్వు మంచిగా పైథాన్ ఉంది కదా, నీకు ఇస్తా, ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇస్తా.
అగ్రికల్చర్ సార్ మనకి సెన్సార్స్ ప్లస్ ఇంకా ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, డేటా సైన్స్ ఇవన్నీ యూజ్ చేసి అంటే ప్రిడిక్షన్ అవన్నీ హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్ తగ్గించాలి.
చేద్దాం, నాకు అర్థం ఇస్తా, ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ ఇస్తా.
దాంట్లో మనం మాట్లాడతాం
ఓకే, కానీ మేనేజ్ చేయగలుగుతామా టైం?
అంటే మేనేజ్ చేద్దాం సార్ అని ఎట్లా డిప్లొమెంట్ అవి కూడా వచ్చి కదా సార్. ఇంకా టీమ్ లా కొంచెం వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా రిటర్న్ వస్తుంది, మనకి కూడా చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది కదా.
ఓకే చేద్దాం.
టెక్స్ట్ మాత్రమే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వైట్ వచ్చేటట్లయితే పెట్టుకో.
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వైట్ కాకుండా వేరే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎవరు వస్తలేదా?
వస్తుంది సార్, అంటే కలర్ ఫిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఫిల్ చేసుకోవాలి. టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ మాత్రం
కలర్ ఏదో చెప్పండి సార్, దీనికి చెప్పండి, నేను
నువ్వు ఇష్టం, నీకు ఏదంటే పెట్టుకోవాలి.
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్
ఓన్లీ గిది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ హైలైట్ అంతే, వైట్ వైట్ ఉండని అది బ్యాక్ ఎండ్. సరే ఇప్పుడు అది క్లాస్ నాకు పంపి నైట్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు నా మెయిల్ చేసి లేదా వాట్సాప్ చేసి, వాట్సాప్ నా మెయిల్ చేసి
వాట్సాప్
చెయ్యి.